Today we are looking at the 2025 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD in Cypress Grey. This truck is powered by a 6.6-liter DURAMAX engine paired with an Allison 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look. As we take a look at the interior, the first thing we'll look at are these beautiful jet black leather seats. These seats contain heating in the second row, as well as heating and ventilation in the front. This jet black theme is followed throughout the entire vehicle. Your steering wheel holds your controls for cruise control, a heated steering wheel setting, and phone, media, and volume controls. Behind the steering wheel to your right is your gear shifter, and to the left are your controls for windshield wipers and high beams. Behind this is your digital gauge cluster, containing things such as vehicle information, media display, navigation, and more. In the center of the dash is your media and infotainment touchscreen, compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as built-in Google Maps and Google Assistant. Below this screen are a couple of settings, most notably your exhaust brake, lane assist, park sense, tailgate, and traction control. Below this are your climate control settings, as well as your settings for your heated and ventilated seats in the front row. To the left, you'll find your toe brake settings, and to the right, you'll find 2 USB charging ports. Your center console offers loads of room for storage, as well as a 120-volt charger, 2 USB charging ports, and a wireless charging pad. Looking up, you'll notice that your rear view mirror can be toggled to your rear view camera. On the left-hand side, you'll find your power controls for windows, locks, and mirrors, as well as memory seat settings. Beside this is your parking brake, drive mode selector, and headlight settings. As we head to the exterior, you'll notice that the exterior options are fitted in chrome, such as the door handles and window sills. You'll also notice that the rear windows are tinted. Throughout the entire exterior of the vehicle, you'll notice these bed steps, allowing for easy access to the cargo bed, as well as this chrome rear bumper. With the touch of a button, we can open our power tailgate, showcasing this cargo bed, equipped with spray-on bed liner, protecting you from dents and scratches. On the right-hand side, you'll find a 120-volt charger, as well as LED lights. Jumping into the back seat, your rear passengers are greeted with heated seat controls, USB charging ports, and cup holders attached to the center console. In the seats, you'll find pull-down cup holders and additional storage. These rear seats are also split in a 60-40 bench fashion, which means on both sides they can be pulled up, adding more cargo room. And that is the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD in Cypress Grey, located at Wolfe, Calgary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team and we'll be happy to help.